2026 is shaping up to be unpredictable. From shifting geopolitics and a wobbling global economy to a climate that no longer follows the rules. The world feels uncertain again. But this isn't the first time humanity has faced instability. Nearly a century ago, our grandparents and great-grandparents lived through the Great Depression, a time when money was scarce, jobs vanished, and survival depended on creativity, cooperation, and grit. Today, we're revisiting their wisdom and translating it for the modern world. Because resilience isn't about fear, it's about preparedness. So let's explore 7 Depression-era survival kits redesigned for 2026's uncertainties. 1. The Foundation Kit, Beyond the Basics for Modern Challenges. Every Depression-era household had its own version of a foundation kit. It wasn't fancy, it was functional. In 2026, that foundation looks different, but the principle remains the same. Self-reliance starts with essentials. Clean water is still priority 1. Modern threats such as microplastics, PFAS, and chemical runoff make purification essential. Invest in gravity-fed purifiers, portable filters, and long-term storage barrels. Next, food. Shelf-stable doesn't have to mean unhealthy. Stock nutrient-dense staples like beans, lentils, oats, dehydrated vegetables, and canned proteins. The goal is calories that count, not empty carbs. And don't overlook your multi-tool. Today's versions include fire starters, glass breakers, chargers, and even self-defense tools. The modern foundation kit isn't just about survival, it's about continuity when systems fail. 2. The Resourcefulness Kit, Scarcity, Self-Sufficiency, and Skill. During the Great Depression, cash wasn't king, resourcefulness was. Barter replaced currency, and homemade goods or repair skills became a new economy. Your 2026 Resourcefulness Kit starts with 2 things: skills and substitutes. Learn what's tradable when supply chains tighten: food preservation, sewing, carpentry, or small engine repair. Even simple skills like soap making or clothing repair can carry real value. Stock DIY medicine and hygiene supplies, first aid herbs, natural disinfectants like vinegar, and reusable hygiene products. In hard times, even soap can be gold. Finally, think about power independence. Portable solar panels, rechargeable batteries, and hand-crank generators allow self-sufficiency. This isn't about escaping modern life. It's about staying functional when the lights go out. 3. The Community and Communication Kit. Your network is your net worth. The Depression era proved one powerful truth: survival is social. People shared food, traded labor, and protected one another. In 2026, that principle still applies, but your community might extend beyond neighbors to digital frequencies. Your communication kit should include non-internet dependent radios, CB, ham, or emergency handsets. When power grids fail or networks crash, these become lifelines. Build a community resilience map to identify skilled neighbors, local resources, and safe gathering points before crisis hits. Turn isolation into collaboration by forming mutual aid groups, friends who pledge food swaps, childcare, or defense. When systems falter, your network becomes your greatest security system and your greatest comfort. 4. The Mindset and Adaptability Kit. More than just stuff. In every era of instability, mindset determines who thrives and who merely survives. Depression-era families endured loss, hunger, and fear, but many grew stronger because they built mental resilience. In 2026, that same resilience matters more than ever. Practice stress management through mindfulness, journaling, prayer, or quiet reflection. Learn to pause before panic. Adaptability is the ultimate survival skill. Start building practical knowledge now: gardening, first aid, basic repair, wilderness safety. These are today's versions of Depression-era know-how. Above all, remember your brain is your most valuable tool. It doesn't need batteries, and it's the one resource no one can confiscate. 5. The Financial Resilience Kit. Smart money for unstable times. Back in the 1930s, banks failed and savings vanished overnight, teaching a hard lesson: never keep all your security in one place. In 2026, that advice is just as urgent. Diversify your financial safety net. Keep a portion of savings in tangible assets, cash, precious metals, or high-utility goods. Digital systems work until they don't. Maintain a basic lean budget that can sustain you for at least 3 lean months. Track every expense and prioritize necessities over desires. Frugality isn't about deprivation, it's a strategy of control and preparedness. The goal is flexibility to keep your life stable even when the economy isn't. 6. The Homegrown Kit: Food, Fuel, and Function. One of the Depression era's most practical lessons was simple: grow what you can. Even a balcony or small patio can become a mini garden. Focus on high-yield, low-maintenance crops such as herbs, leafy greens, and root vegetables. Learn food preservation, drying, canning, fermenting, and vacuum sealing. It's not old-fashioned, it's future-proof. Pair this with energy independence. Solar lanterns, wood stoves, rainwater harvesting, and proper insulation all reduce dependency on fragile systems. A self-sustaining home isn't about luxury, it's about resilience. The more your home can produce and conserve, the less you'll fear outside instability. 7. The Hope Kit: Keeping the Human Spirit Alive. Even during the darkest days of the Great Depression, people still found joy. They sang, told stories, laughed, and shared simple meals together. Your Hope Kit is about preserving that spirit. Include books, board games, comforting snacks, and items that remind you of purpose: photos, letters, or keepsakes. Emotional resilience keeps morale high when everything else feels uncertain. Don't underestimate the power of music, storytelling, and human connection to restore balance, because survival isn't just physical, it's deeply emotional. And hope, more than any tool or gadget, is what truly carries us through the toughest times. The world may feel uncertain, but history whispers the same truth: we've been here before. And every time we made it through, not because life was easy, but because people chose resilience over fear. The Great Depression taught our grandparents to build, mend, and adapt when everything else fell apart. Now it's our turn to carry that wisdom forward. Build your kits, sharpen your skills, strengthen your spirit. Prepare not out of panic, but out of purpose. Because true resilience isn't about waiting for disaster. It's about learning to thrive in the middle of chaos. Whatever 2026 brings, economic turbulence, global instability, or environmental change, remember this: you are not powerless. Preparation is hope in action, and history has already proven. We know how to survive and rise again.